What you doing, kitty? Looking at the birdies? Looking at the birdies? He likes looking at the birdies. Making those little chirpy sounds. Why do cats do this? I don't know. Good boy, kitty. Good boy. Good boy. That was weird. Okay. Say bye to YouTube, kitty. Kitty. He says bye. Maybe not yet. Bear with me, I'm using my laptop as a camera because it's the only camera I got. Here I am playing starfox Assault. starfox Assault, because I don't have any other games, sadly. Brother took me on 64 AM, and he just immediately starts doing this while looking at birds outside. I don't see any birds, but he's probably looking at the ones in the trees anyway. Bye, kitty.